Hello, let's get going. Let's keep it short and sweet. Here's what we got. Week 3. Agenda sides. Let's look at those. This video, which if you're hearing me, you're already watching it, Check-Inform, Edpuzzle. I know there's no variety this week. Like, it's all Edpuzzle. Sorry about that. But I think it's a good tool. Sorry if you're frustrated with it. I'll try to throw some variety in, but we're just all doing our best, guys. Solving quadratics by factoring is the first thing I want you to do. The Factorama homework is a little bit weird, but we'll go over it. Solving with quadratic formula. Now, quadratic formula is super important, so please pay extra attention to that lesson. Homework on it, discriminant, and then homework on discriminant, which is related to quadratic formula. And then this is how important quadratic formula is. Just for one day, I want you to spend some time trying to memorize it. It's something that I don't give my math 3s, and I put that in the slides too. So watch the video, Check-Inform, solving with factoring, and then there's like a riddle on that Futurama page that we'll take a look at in a second. Tuesday, solving with quadratic formula. This homework is just super straightforward because I want you to focus on the process of quadratic formula. And Wednesday, discriminant, also pretty straightforward on quizzes, just to kind of switch up the worksheets. Thursday, try to memorize quadratic formula. When I teach math 3, I don't give my students quadratic formula on a test or quiz. Like, I tell them to solve quadratics, but I don't give them the formula. It's up to them to figure out what method they want to use. So it's a good thing to have memorized because it always works. When I had to memorize it, I used a song. You can use any strategy that works for you. If you have a parent home or like a brother, sister, somebody that can read, this is a suggestion. Write it out in words like this, and then they can, as you read it to them, without looking at any resources, they can tell you if you're right or wrong. So if you just write the formula out, some people might not be able to help you as well. Here's the Check-Inform, Edpuzzle, homework that goes with it, Factorama. So you should be factoring each of those, and then you'll get your solutions, right? Use this as your answer bank. Those are the answers down there. You should be getting one of those solution pairs, and then it'll help you solve the puzzle. What do you get when you cross a vampire with a snowman? Low expectations on those riddles, okay, guys? Quadratic formula and the homework, like I said, very straightforward because I just want you to practice the process. Discriminant and the game is on there for quizzes, and then just a couple of extra ways to memorize quadratic formula. One is like a little story, and the other one's just a song. All right, let's set that due date to that Saturday, like I gave you guys. Like I said, if you're actually watching this, thank you for taking the time. It was a little frustrating to see that nobody was really watching the videos, even though taking the time to make them. But if they're helpful to you, I'm glad. Take care. Talk to you later. Bye.